Okay, so this is a inside room. You got room for 2 nightstands. It feels bigger in here. I don't know if it's the colors or what, but it feels significantly. Got a little place to sit, do your makeup. Then you got this little area over here with the refrigerator and a TV. So this is nice. It does seem a little bigger. It's a little narrow through here. This is where your closet is here. There's some closet space there. And then there's some closet space here with some drums and stuff. Baskets, I should say. And then your standard bathroom. Yeah, that's pretty spacious for an inside room.